Now we will learn about the islands. As you know, children, island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. There are two groups of islands. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Children, see here. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. Now we will know in detail about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of about 300 islands. Most of them are small in size. They have dense forests. Only a few of them are inhabited. Inhabited means to live in a place, बसे हुए. The northern part is called the Great Andaman, while the southern part is called the Nicobar Group. The southernmost point of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is called the Indira Point. Due to the tsunami in 2004, Indira Point is partially submerged. Submerged means jalmang, to put under water. Some part of Indira Point is submerged. Partially means आंशिक रूप से. During the British period, prisoners were sent to the cellular jail here. As you know, children, our country was under British rule. During that period, British sent prisoners to the cellular jail. Prisoners means Kadi. And it was called Kala Pani. And who were those prisoners? They were our great freedom fighters. The cellular jail is now turned into a national monument in honor of many freedom fighters. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. These islands have pleasant climate. Pleasant means suhana, nice, anandayak. There is heavy rainfall in monsoon. Many tourists visit Andaman and Nicobar Islands. People from many parts of India have settled in Port Blair. The tribals speak many languages, but Hindi is the most common language. Here, fishing is an important occupation. Rice, coconut, rubber, spices, and fruits like papaya and pineapples are widely grown here. Children, this is the picture of cellular jail. Now we will know about Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands. in the Arabian Sea. These islands are close to the Malabar coast. The Lakshadweep Islands are small and flat. About 10 of these islands are inhabited. Most of the people rely on agriculture and fishing for their living. Rely means to depend on. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. Many tourists visit Lakshadweep Islands because of its coral deposits. Coral means hard, colorful substance formed from the skeletal remains of tiny sea creatures. Life in the eastern coastal region, I will explain you tomorrow. Thank you, children.